Here's some Lovelock's tradition trivia. Subscribe. What city is famous for Lovelock's on the Pont des Arts? Is it A. Venice, B. Prague, C. Paris, or D. Rome? The correct answer is C. Paris. Which bridge was the original site for Lovelock's? Is it A. Golden Gate Bridge, B. Tower Bridge, C. Brooklyn Bridge, or D. Pont des Arts? The correct answer is D. Pont des Arts. What symbol do couples often attach to locks? Is it A. Anchor, B. Heart, C. Star, or D. Circle? The correct answer is B. Heart. In which year did the Parisian Lovelock tradition begin? Is it A. 25th, 2001, C. 2012, or D. 2008? The correct answer is D. 2008. What type of event often prompts Lovelocks? Is it A. graduation, B. friendship, C. marriage, or D. festival? The correct answer is C. marriage. Which famous novel popularized the Lovelocks concept? Is it A. The Notebook, B. Love in Paris, C. Romeo and Juliet, or D. I Want You? The correct answer is D. I Want You. What must couples do after placing a lock to seal their bond? Is it A. burn key, B. gift key, C. bury key, or D. throw key? The correct answer is D. throw key. Which European city has many bridges with Lovelocks? Is it A. Amsterdam, B. Rome, C. Budapest, or D. Berlin? The correct answer is B. Rome. Which structure was adorned with Lovelocks before its removal? Is it A. Trafalgar Square, B. Berlin Wall, C. Colosseum, or D. Lock Wall? The correct answer is D. Lock Wall. What is one effect of the weight of Lovelocks? Is it A. increased security, B. structural stress, C. corrosion damage, or D. aesthetic improvement? The correct answer is B. structural stress. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.